50 actions. English words. Let's enjoy learning together. Take it easy. Run. Run. I run every morning. Walk. Walk. Let's walk to the park. Jump. Jump. The cat can jump very high. Sit. Sit. Please sit here. Stand. Stand. Can you stand still? Eat. Eat. I want to eat some pizza. Drink. Drink. She likes to drink coffee. Sleep. Sleep. I sleep early on weekdays. Play. Play. The kids play outside every day. Swim. Swim. Can you swim across the river? Go. Go. Let's go to the beach. Come. Come. Come and join us. Leave. Leave. I will leave at 7 p.m. Arrive. Arrive. We arrive at the station at 10 a.m. Drive. Drive. He can drive a car. Ride. Ride. I love to ride my bike. Fly. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. Carry. Carry. Can you carry this box for me? Pull. Pull. Pull the door to open it. Push. Push. Push the button to start. Talk. Talk. We need to talk later. Speak. Speak. Can you speak louder, please? Say. Say. What did he say? Ask. Ask. I want to ask a question. Answer. Answer. Please answer the phone. Call. Call. I will call you tonight. Shout. Shout. Don't shout in the library. Cry. Cry. The baby started to cry. Laugh. Laugh. They laugh at funny jokes. Sing. Sing. Let's sing a song together. Write. Write. I write in my journal every day. Read. Read. She likes to read books. Draw. Draw. Can you draw a picture of a dog? Build. Build. They build houses very fast. Cook. Cook. I will cook dinner tonight. Make. Make. Can you make a cake? Clean. Clean. I clean my room on Sundays. Fix. Fix. Can you fix this broken chair? Cut. Cut. She cut the paper with scissors. Paint. Paint. Let's paint the wall blue. Look. Look. Look at that beautiful bird. Watch. Watch. I watch TV in the evening. See. See. I can see the mountains from here. Listen. Listen. Listen to this song. Hear. Hear. Did you hear that noise? Smell? Smell? These flowers smell so good. Touch. Touch. Don't touch the wet paint. Taste. Taste. This soup tastes amazing. Open. Open. Open the window, please. Close. Close. Close the door behind you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and use it to review and learn anytime. See you in the next video.